The Generative Design Configurator, abbreviated as GEN, is part of the toolkit of ASHVIN project for digitizing and transforming the construction industry. GEN uses historic data of past similar projects which is organized in the Evidence-Based Design (EBD) knowledge base of ASHVIN's digital twin. The historic data determines the geometric extents of the main parameters and mathematical fitness functions of the parameter KPI relationships from past construction projects. The geometric extents are used to develop a parametric model for a similar project type. Safety in design is improved since unsuitable parameters are eliminated. The mathematical fitness functions are used for generative design optimization, to computationally generate various design alternatives of the parametric model. Therefore, construction productivity is improved from the early design phase. The computationally generated alternatives are presented on an XY scatter graph which highlights the set of Pareto optimal design options. The recommended set of Pareto optimal design options are then visualized using the 4DVD. This improves understanding of the ramifications of different design choices.